urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Mahoning County, southern Trumbull County, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Lordstown and moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Warren, Youngstown, Lordstown, Niles, Cortland, Hub, Campbell. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning and Trumbull. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Kentucky and moving northeast at 5 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ravenna, Streetsboro, Manaway, Garrettsville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Portage County, Ohio.